Fortune Sun Electronic Further Company Limited, a well-known electronic equipment manufacturer in the projector accessory industry, has recently taken another significant step in product innovation and gradually launched a new generation of its products, Projector Hanger HT30. The introduction of this product not only marks another technological breakthrough for Fortune Sun Electronic in the field of auxiliary accessories for projection equipment, but also perfectly integrates advanced technology concepts with ergonomic design thinking, bringing users an unprecedented experience. HT30 is specially designed for large-scale engineering projectors, representing a new generation of high-quality products. Its outstanding performance and ergonomic design are perfectly combined. The specific advantages are as follows. Firstly, HT30 adopts an innovative structural design to enhance the cost-performance ratio of the product. Fortune Sun Electronic has abandoned the traditional complex chassis design and adopted a low-cost structural solution. This enables the projector hanger to maintain its key quality and performance while optimizing materials and manufacturing processes, thereby reducing production costs and making the products more affordable. The second feature is an improvement in high load performance and an optimization of the rigid structure, enhancing the product's safety and reliability. Despite adopting a more economical design approach, Fortune Sun Electronics hanger maintains strong load-bearing capabilities, easily supporting the weight of large-format engineering projectors, and ensuring stability and safety over extended periods. Through rigorous testing and verification, the projector hanger's rigid structure is confirmed to adapt to various complex environments, providing stable suspension for the projector. Large engineering projectors are primarily utilized in the following scenarios, each tailored to specific professional needs and environments. First, construction engineering. In architecture's reporting, large-scale engineering projectors can project three-dimensional models of buildings onto large screens, facilitating comprehensive reviews and discussions among stakeholders. Second, road and bridge engineering. In conference zones of transportation planning departments, large engineering projectors are employed to display new road planning schemes. Third, water conservancy and hydropower engineering. In the offices of water conservancy departments, such as conference rooms within water conservancy bureaus, large engineering projectors are utilized to execute comprehensive basin planning. In the design phase of hydropower station, these projectors are indispensable for presenting detailed design proposals. Fourth, geological explanation engineering. Within the laboratories or offices of geological explanation entities, large engineering projectors serve a pivotal role in projecting geological explanation data. After introducing the structural improvement and innovation of HT30 and recommending things, next we pay attention to the third feature of this new product, that is, the appearance design of the hanger, which pays attention to simplicity, and the lines are smooth. It is not only convenient for users to carry and install, but also can ensure the durability during long-term use. In addition, the hanger is equipped with necessary safety locking device to prevent accidental falling off, which further improves the safety of product use. To sum up, Fortune Sun Electronic Further Company Limited, a brand new projector rack, is characterized by its unique local design, excellent low performance, beautiful and simple appearance, and convenient installation. Undoubtedly, it will become an ideal choice for users of large-scale engineering projectors.